one. My app is my movie list. This app will allow me to add all the movies that I currently own in their Blu-ray, DVD, and digital formats. That way I know which ones I have in case I'm out at the store and I think I want to buy a movie and I'm not sure if I have it already or not. So that's why I decided to go with this app. One of the problems that I did come up with was when I was doing on the ISO simulator is that I couldn't, the font size was really small. And so what I found out was, I usually did the viewport user scalable with device width, but then I found out if I added this initial scale equals 1.0, it scaled fine. Another thing that I found out was kind of weird, if I click on this link here and I go to my other page, is I have my drop down menus and I have my date menu here and my slider here, and I remember when we were doing the lessons that it said that these will not show up in the ISO simulator. But if I go here to my link on my simulator, I've got the drop down date and the slider bar. So I'm not sure why it worked on mine and not everybody else's. That was one of the things I did discover. The other thing that I decided to do was, I know they were showing everybody was doing it in unordered lists. I decided to use a table for my code because I thought that it showed up a lot straighter and it looked a little bit neater. So that's why I used a table instead of an unordered list. What's this gone with what I've learned before? Currently right now, I haven't really done any HTML programming since HTML3, so I'm quite behind on everything. I'm really interested to learn how I can use JavaScript to pull all this data and actually make this a real app. I have a feeling this will be really useful to me. And what I learned here is, hopefully that I can keep building upon this so that when I go into my career field, that I will have the skills to build HTML, CSS, and JavaScript and applications and programming. Right now, my whole career field is all IT based, but it's on the break-fix side of desktop support and server administration. Let's see. What do I think of HTML5 so far? It's, like I said, I haven't really used HTML since HTML3. So far there is a huge difference. The one thing I do like is at the very top of your page, it is only .doctype.html instead of doctype W3C schools, public, blah, 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 blah. You used to have to write all kinds of stuff down here to make it work. And again, why I chose my theme is, I'm a huge collector of movies, and sometimes I have the problem when I go out to the store, I buy one that I already have because I have so many I forgot which ones I have. So hopefully once I get this app written and usable, I can actually really use it. So that's all about my app right now. I've had quite a lot of fun doing this. I learned a couple new things, and I can't wait till next week when we learn how to put some style on this. All right, thank you.